So the whole idea is to meet the client and understand the use case. So what exactly is the client trying to solve? Because unless you have a properly well-defined problem, and then whether you have the required data underneath it, are the two most important things that you need to understand. So in our case, we spend anywhere from 1 day to 2 weeks with client, and client doesn't mean just the business owner, but also his team or her team who have the necessary knowledge, and then analyze the use case to understand whether we can create a go-to plan, whether we can create a data solution in the whole process, which a lot of it again comes down to, do we even have the data to answer the problem that is being solved? Once that is done, and then we would, 2 weeks we give within the 2 weeks we would give actually the general solution to the client. This is what we plan to do. Try to break it up into pieces so that it becomes sub-projects rather than a huge 8-month project. We'll break it up into 4 or 5 pieces so that the client can see as to where we're going along. Given that these are not, building a solution in big data science is more of a research and advanced development process and not building a simple software solution, we tend not to use the usual computer software methodology of a waterfall that you do quality assurance and testing in the end, but we tend to do more of agile Scrum methodology where the team is about 10 people, 8 to 10 people total, creating a solution. We haven't used so far more than 12 or 13 people ever on a project, and they meet every week, and they have weekly meetings and so on, to make sure that they're following the process of creating this stuff.